Hi, and welcome back to the channel. The book I'll be going to review today is If He Had Been With Me by Laura Nolan. It is a deeply emotional young adult novel that explores themes of love, friendship, fate, and regret. This beautifully written book captures the complexities of relationships, both romantic and platonic, and takes the readers on an emotional journey through the life of its protagonist, Autumn. From the very first page, the novel hints at a tragic event, creating an air of suspense that keeps readers engaged until the very end. Nolan's writing is poetic and introspective, making this a book that stays with you long after you finish it. The story follows Autumn and Finney, childhood friends who have been inseparable since birth. Their mothers are best friends, which means they have spent most of their lives together, sharing holidays, family dinners, and countless memories. However, as they grow older, their friendship shifts. They drift apart, falling into different social circles in high school. Autumn is artistic, independent, and introspective, often feeling like an outsider. Finn, on the other hand, is charming, popular, and well liked by everyone at school. Despite their growing distance, their connection remains unbreakable in ways that neither of them fully understand. Throughout the book, we see Autumn navigate high school, relationship, and family struggles. She is in a relationship with a boy named Jamie, while Finn is dating another girl. However, despite their separate lives, there is an underlying question that lingers: what if things had been different? The novel explores the weight of unspoken words, missed opportunities, and the idea that some people are meant to be in our lives no matter the circumstances. Laura Nolan's writing is one of the most captivating aspects of this book. Her prose is lyrical and almost poetic, making the readers feel as though they are experiencing Autumn's emotions firsthand. The novel is introspective and full of deep reflection on love, destiny, and the passage of time. There is a melancholic beauty to the way she describes Autumn's thoughts, making the readers feel both nostalgic and heartbroken at the same time. One of the strongest themes of the book is the concept of what ifs. Many of us look back on our lives and wonder how things might have turned out if we had made different choices. If He Had Been With Me captures this feeling perfectly, making it a highly relatable story for readers of all age. It also explores the nature of love, both romantic and platonic, and how it evolves over time. The book doesn't just focus on romance, it also portrays friendship, family dynamics, and personal growth in a way that feels authentic and raw. Let's talk about the characters in If He Had Been With Me. Autumn is a unique protagonist who doesn't fit into the typical young adult mold. She is thoughtful, artistic, and often lost in her own world. Her struggles with mental health, self doubt, and identity make her a realistic and relatable character. She is not perfect, and her flaws make her all the more human. Finn, or Finny as Autumn calls him, is equally complex. While he appears to be the golden boy, handsome, popular, and athletic, there is more to him than meets the eye. He is kind, thoughtful, and deeply connected to Autumn in ways that even he doesn't fully understand. The relationship is layered with history, love, and unresolved feelings, making it one of the most compelling aspects of the book. The side character also plays important roles. Autumn's mother, her friends, and even her boyfriend Jimmy add depth to the story, making it feel like a real life experience rather than just a fictional tale. The relationship between all of these characters feels genuine, full of both love and tension, which add to the emotional weight of the novel. This book is not a fast paced, action driven book. Instead, it is a slow burning, character driven story that focuses on emotions and friendships. The pacing allows readers to fully immerse themselves in Autumn's world, experiencing her highs and lows alongside her. Some readers might find the slow pacing a bit frustrating, but it ultimately serves the story well by giving depth to the characters and their experiences. The novel is also structured in a way that keeps the readers engaged. From the very beginning, we know that something significant and tragic is going to happen. This sense of inevitability keeps the readers turning the pages, eager to understand how things unfold. Despite this, the book is not just about the ending, it's about the journey, the little moments and the emotions that makes life meaningful. Few books manages to evoke as much emotions as If He Had Been With Me. It is a book that makes you think, feel, and reflect on your own life. The way Nolan captures the depth of human emotions is truly remarkable. Whether you have experienced a similar friendship, a lost love, or simply the feeling of wondering what could have been, this book will touch your heart. For readers who enjoy emotional, thought provoking books, this novel is perfect choice. It is not just a love story, it is a story about life, choices, and the invisible threads that connects us to the people we love. Be prepared for an emotional roller coaster because this book will stay with you long after you turn the final page. This is not a light-hearted read, but it is a meaningful one. It will make you cry, make you think, and make you appreciate the small moments in life that shape who we are. If you're looking for a book that will leave a lasting impact, If He Had Been With Me is a must read. In the end, If He Had Been With Me is more than just a novel, it's an experience. It reminds us of the beauty and pain of love, and the power of friendship, and the unpredictability of life. It is a book that will break your heart and put it back together again, leaving you with a profound appreciation for the people who shape our lives. Now, let's talk about why I would give this book a 2-star rating. The thing is, now that I have read quite a lot of books in the same genre, If He Had Been With Me doesn't surprise me. I can guess the plot in the very beginning, but if you have just started reading, you would love this book. For more book reviews and suggestions, don't forget to subscribe and get your If He Had Been With Me by Laura Nolan. The link is in description box. Please check out.